I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the whole closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now
Hi guys, hi everybody, it is Elegant Tutorials and welcome to my channel. For today's look, I am using again Amrezy Anastasia palette, and if you want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching. Normally I begin with transition color, but this time I'm gonna use the dark shade to begin, and I'm gonna grab the shade Yogo. Let me show you this shade, and it goes on my natural crease. I'm gonna just stamp it on my crease, and of course I'm gonna build it up. Then I'm taking the shade Semsa to blend it out. Then I'm taking the shade OG, and it goes right next to the Semsa. Then I'm using a clean fluffy brush to blend everything out. I'm gonna use the shade Yogo, the dark shade, on the outer corner of my eye, just to darken this part of my eye. And just make sure that here is as dark as possible. Then I'm grabbing a flat brush. I'm gonna use a cut crease. I am using the concealer Maggie Studio Fix 24 Hour. Just a little bit on my hand. And I'm using a flat brush to do the cut crease.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the whole closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. this gravity, it keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity?
Then I'm taking another clean flat brush and I'm grabbing the shade Wasted, and it goes on my eyelid. Now I'm grabbing the shade Yogo to clean up the mess here. And blended it to the lighter shade. You can also use your finger. Now I'm taking another brush and I'm gonna go for the shade Resi. And it goes right here next to the dark shade. Actually, I'm gonna create a halo effect, something like halo effect. So I'm using the shade Resi here and here in the corner of my eye. Like that. Now I'm taking the shade Cupcake. And it goes right next to the Resi. Now I'm taking the shade Anastasia with my finger and it goes on the center of my eyelid. I want to use also the shade Dragon. And then I'm taking another brush and I'm gonna use the glitter shade Gemini. And just tap it up on my eyelid. For under my eye, I'm using shade Yogo. Then I'm grabbing the shade Samsung. and blend it out. Now I'm gonna draw an eyeliner, and I'm using Maybelline New York tattoo liner. Okay guys, I have applied some lashes, and I've done another eye off the camera. For the lips, I'm using a lip liner of Max Factor 14 Brown and Nude. Oh. And for lipstick, I'm using Max Factor Lipfinity in the shade 8166. Okay everybody, that is the result. I love the glam of my eyes, and I am also happy with the lipstick. I have bought this lipstick and eyeliner today, and that is very matte and nude shade, and it goes with a lot of looks, I think. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy watching, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, ring the bell, and I hope see you soon on my next video. Bye!